Welcome to the Food Tech. In today's video, we're diving deep into Whey Protein Isolate, a high-purity protein source widely used in sports nutrition, medical formulations, and functional foods. Check the link in the description for detailed, tailored notes on this topic. Whey Protein Isolate, WPI, is a highly purified form of whey protein, derived from liquid whey obtained during cheese manufacturing. WPI is produced through advanced filtration techniques that remove most of the fat and lactose, resulting in a product that contains at least 90% protein. Due to its high protein purity and rapid digestibility, WPI is widely used in sports nutrition, medical formulations, and functional foods. Composition of WPI. Whey protein isolate is characterized by protein content less than or equal to 90%, lactose content less than 1%, fat content less than 1%, minerals 2 to 4%, moisture content less than 6%. PI has a significantly lower amount of carbohydrates and fat compared to whey protein concentrate, making it an ideal choice for individuals with lactose intolerance or those requiring a high-protein, low-calorie diet. Now, let's break down how whey protein isolate is produced step by step. The production of WPI involves several purification steps to achieve a high protein content while maintaining the bioavailability of essential amino acids. Whey collection and pre-treatment. Liquid whey is obtained from cheese production. Fat and casein residues are removed through centrifugation and microfiltration, ultrafiltration, and microfiltration. Whey is passed through ultrafiltration membranes to concentrate proteins while removing lactose, minerals, and water. Microfiltration helps in removing remaining fat molecules, leading to a purer protein product. Ion exchange, chromatography, involves the separation of proteins based on their ionic charge, allowing for even higher purity isolates. This process selectively binds proteins while removing residual lactose and ash. Diafiltration. Water is introduced to further wash out lactose and minerals, improving purity. Spray drying, the final liquid. Concentrate is spray-dried at controlled temperatures to preserve the functional and nutritional properties of the protein. Standardization and quality control. The WPI powder is tested for protein content, solubility, and microbiological safety before packaging. Functional properties of WPI. Whey protein isolate exhibits excellent functional properties, making it highly versatile in food and beverage applications. High solubility. WPI dissolves rapidly in water, making it ideal for protein drinks and supplements. Emulsification. Acts as an effective emulsifier in dairy and meat products. Gelation. Forms gels upon heating, improving texture in processed foods. Foaming. Enhances foaming properties in whipped products and desserts. Heat stability. Can withstand pasteurization and high-temperature processing without significant denaturation. Nutritional benefits of WPI. Superior protein quality. Contains all essential amino acids in optimal proportions. High in branched-chain amino acids. Essential for muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Low lactose and fat. Suitable for lactose-intolerant individuals and those following low-fat diets. Rapid absorption. Quickly digested and absorbed, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Rich in bioactive peptides. Supports immune function and has antioxidant properties. Applications of WPI, whey protein isolate, is widely used in various industries due to its superior nutritional and functional properties. Sports nutrition. Found in protein powders, shakes, and meal replacement products. Clinical and medical nutrition. Used in dietary formulations for elderly patients, malnourished individuals, and those recovering from illness. Infant formula. Incorporated into infant formulas to mimic human milk protein composition. Functional foods and beverages. Used in high-protein yogurts, dairy drinks, and fortified foods. Pharmaceutical industry. Used in specialized protein supplements for metabolic disorders and immune support. For more expert content on food technology, don't forget to subscribe to The Food Tech. Check the link in the description for detailed notes on this topic. See you in the next video.